Word of mouth marketing is a powerful tool businesses can use to grow their company. In my last video, I talked about the power of word of mouth and how it can make or break any business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use word of mouth marketing to your advantage by keeping your customers happy and helping them promote your business to their friends and family. Hi, my name is Cierra and I am a campaign and brand designer, helping businesses bring their vision and projects to life through design. How we can use word of mouth marketing to our advantage is by building a strong foundation, focusing on having excellent customer experiences, and helping our customers introduce us to others they know. Besides providing the best products and services around, you can also focus on building a strong foundation for those products and services to be a part of. When you define who you are as a business, it creates a consistent message and story behind your products and services that your customers can use to promote your business. Defining who you are as a business is the first step I take to designing brands. For more information on defining your business, you can watch part 2 of my branding video series here on my channel. When you define your business and start building your foundation, you need to make sure that you are building on solid ground. Imagine if you have 3 customers who recommend your product to their friends and family. One customer is proficient in using products similar to yours and has a lot of background into why your product is the best choice. They can answer questions from others and explain in detail about your business. The other 2 customers love using your product too, but don't have as much experience using similar products like customer number 1. Although they love your product and will recommend it to others, they might not be able to answer in-depth questions about your business or product. Imagine if your customers were as proficient as customer number 1. Selling your products and services would be a lot easier if people already knew who you were, what your products and services can do, and trust them before stepping through the door. Think about the ways you can improve your communication and sales pitch around your products and services. Are your customers explaining your business's products and services correctly? Think about your customers as your secondary sales force and make sure that they have the right information and message to share your products, services, and business with others. While building a strong foundation, you should also focus on your customers' experiences as well. Are my products and services easy to use for my customers? One great way to assess your products and services is by asking your customers for feedback. Ask them about their experiences working with you. Are there any improvements they would like made to your products and services? Getting feedback from our customers can help us see things from a new perspective and come up with new ideas and changes we might not have thought of before. Having excellent customer experiences is also connected to how we handle conflict and problems when they arise. Because of the complexity of our emotions, opinions, and perceptions, there might be someone who doesn't like your product or service. Focus on addressing problems quickly and professionally. Have policies in place to get rid of unwanted confusion. You might not be able to solve every conflict, but providing good and professional customer service can help turn some of your hardest critics into your best customer referrals. Sometimes the simplest way to generate word of mouth is by asking for an introduction from our customers. Ask them if they know of anyone who might need your help. If so, make it easier for them to connect you to others. Give them extra copies of your promotional materials like brochures, catalogs, branded merchandise, and more. Have you ever met someone who gave you 2 of the same business card before? If so, this is a simple tactic used by businesses and salespeople to help their customers promote their business easily. The first business card is yours to use, and the second is for you to give away. That way, both your customer and their friend has your contact information available. Other ways to help your customers promote your business is through social media. Ask them to like and share your posts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. You can also provide a friends and family discount to them for 10% off, either as an email coupon code or as a printed coupon card. You can also ask your customers for a testimonial for you to use on your website, social media, and/or marketing materials. Find ways to make it easier for your customers to promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is at work in our conversations, social media, advertising, and more. By building a strong foundation, focusing on our customer experiences, and asking our customers to introduce us to others is just some of the ways we can use word of mouth marketing to our advantage.